Hey investors, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shalise. I'm a mother, wife, and worker bee. I'm also an investor. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. I am a regular person. I am the person all the gurus, all the financial advisors tell to invest. I just document my journey here on the internet so I can motivate you guys and you can see it from a perspective of that type of person. And I'm sure there are many of you because you all in my comments, I see you, I meet with you. And so thank you so much for your support, for being here. Do not blindly follow me, but just take the motivation, the golden nuggets of what you hear and see. I have a ton of videos and you get started on your journey, okay? And make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you are returning, thank y'all so much. And beware of scammers and fake pages. Y'all know they're crazy out here. So I have a great video for you all today. A good one. A really, really good one. So this is an SCHD update. I try to do these once a month because you guys know we're actively building up the position over here in Robinhood. We're not actively building the one in Interactive Brokers. We do have several accounts. My husband and I would love to retire early, 41 years old. So like the bridge accounts, these are, but we also have like, the standard retirement accounts like 401k, HSAs, Roths, that type of stuff. But that's long-term future. So a lot of time on the channel, you will see me in our bridge accounts trying to build those up. But we have SCHD kind of in a little bit of every in most of our accounts, not all of them, and even some of our children have a little bit of SCHD. We have 3 kids. I have one in college currently. She doesn't have any SCHD anymore because slowly I'm cashing her shares in to pay for her tuition. That's what a college account is for. But I was younger, but one will be 16, one will be 14. My 2 sons, they have a little bit. They have a lot of growth though, but a little bit. But yeah. So we love SCHD over here. That's what I am trying to say. We love SCHD over here. Before I get into the current position, what do we love about SCHD? Well, I like the fact that SCHD does not have a lot of tech in it. So we own FXAIX in some of our portfolios, SCHG, SPYM, VTI. Oh my goodness. And if you look at like in the top 10 holdings of some of those, it's all tech. So it may be different companies, but it's the same sector, which is technology. And a lot of it is in AI. You see NVIDIA, Microsoft, Apple, Google. SpaceX is going to creep in soon, one of these days, in probably all of our funds because it will be incorporated into a lot of funds. So, it's a lot of like AI. Sometimes that sector can be very volatile. And what I love about SCHD, and I do have not this, the holdings right here, but what I love about it is that if you look right here at this graph, you can see that it's about 8.45%, the technology piece in SCHD. If you go to any of the other funds I just mentioned, you will see at least 80%. It's just a lot of tech. Tech is popular right now. It's growth. It's people love it. It's a lot of risk, but there's a lot of reward as well. But SCHD for me is very like mellow. It has a lot of other good sectors that I think get overlooked, like consumer staples, healthcare, energy, things like that. And so we really do like SCHD as like one of our foundational funds as well. I don't have to babysit it. I don't have to watch it. I don't have to obsess over it. I know long term it grows. It pays a dividend. It may not grow as fast as something else, but the dividend is nice. And I really do like the firm behind it, which is Schwab. So that's why we own it. If you own it, give me one reason why you like it, but let me share with you our current position. Bam, you see that? 350 shares. So the last time I left you all, I think we had 125 shares or so. But I was fortunate and blessed to get a small bonus. And one of the things we did is we bought some tires for my minivan. I've filmed for my minivan a lot, but it is older. It's a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and I love old Betsy. I love her. I mean, Hondas will get you through the thick and the thicker, okay? But it was time to get some tires. And the tires, let me tell you, the tires were $1,200 total. So we got like some Michelin all-terrain something something. And we will spend good money on tires. Where I live, it's a lot of snow. We can get a lot of rain, and I don't like to drive in the snow and the rain, but if I have to, I want to make sure that there's something good under my car that can keep me going so I'm not sliding and all of that. I can go up hills. If it's icy, I'm okay. So, but I just was like sticker shock, $1,200 for tires, but thank God we had the money, so we got some tires. Always also put a little bit of money aside to give. I think it's important to give. I don't I I don't know everybody's situation. I don't want to judge what's going on in their life, but I do think it's important to give. And then the bulk of it just went here. My husband and I were like, well, what do we want to do? And we don't really need anything. So we put it in SCHD, which was great because I told you guys, I've been telling you guys all summer, we rebalanced our portfolio. This was done probably mid-July. So right now I'm filming this on July 27th. So it happened during our rebalancing season. And I'm so happy about this because I wanted to get more of like a non-tech either stock or fund built up just to keep our portfolio overall balanced. If you didn't know, we do have $1 million portfolio. I did make a video on that recently. Check it out. I think it was either I mentioned it in the video before this or the one right before this, but watch my videos and you'll be able to see the screenshots. Yeah, so this is 350 shares. This value is about $11,665. We're up about 7%, which is great. If you come, you can see like the performance of it. Let me just show you guys. So the past week, up about 1.31%. And because the market has been pulling back, you guys know we have a war going on and inflation is high and things. And so when the markets, are very volatile, there's a lot of fear. SCHD tends to do pretty well. And if it does pull back, it doesn't pull back as hard. So the past month at 3.98%, past 3 months, 6.49%, past year, look at this, it's up 21% year to date. Isn't that something? We're in the July. Crazy. Past year, 22%. Past 5 years, 32%. And max or all time is 300%, which is crazy. This is from their website, so you can come to Schwab's website. They are the broker behind SCHD or the investment firm. They're the ones behind it. And you can come and see like the objective. So if you're an income investor, like you want to get some income, it's great for that. If you want to get income and have it be tax efficient, because that's important, not all dividends are created equal, SCHD is a great option as well. I remember the 3-for-1 stock split. I did a video on this back in 2024. I don't know if you guys were around on the channel when SCHD did a stock split. I was so happy that it was like 70 something dollars. I was so happy that they did a stock split. I would love if other funds like VTI did a stock split. Let me see some of my other favorites. Costco, if they could do a stock split. Visa do a stock split. Berkshire Hathaway, oh my goodness, I would love it if they do a stock split, but I don't think that's going to ever happen. But it is what it is. But you can see some of the performance of SCHD right here. So you can see it monthly, you can see it year to date. I just showed you all this, but you can see it there. So all of the information is on the website. You can even see the distribution, so the dividend payouts. So it does pay out 4 times a year. It pays out in March, June, September, and December. So the next payout would be sometime like towards the end of September, but I'll have a video on that, so you don't have to worry about that. But I really do like SCHD, and I like coming on Stock Analysis because I think it's a really good website to research. It's important to research what you own because you don't want to just buy something and you have no idea like the functionality of it and what it's for and all of that. You don't want to do that. You want to research. But look at this. Look at the assets under management. It hit $100 billion. So some claps for SCHD. I think people are catching on. They're like, I don't want my whole portfolio in just a bunch of risky, volatile assets. And again, I love NVIDIA. It's a great company, but there's other good things out there. And if I don't want to own an individual stock, I just want to stick to a fund. SCHD is a solid one. You get a little bit of growth, you get some dividends, you get diversification away from technology and AI. And I like it. And there's some articles here. Some people hate SCHD, some people love it. It's your money. Remember, you want to make sure that you are investing in what you like. I'm gonna show you some of the top holdings here. So you see Abbott Laboratories is now the one of the top holdings. Wow, that's crazy. Merck, which is, I think both Abbott and Merck are healthcare, and United Health Group, that's healthcare as well. Amgen, healthcare. Procter& Gamble, which I think is a really great company. They have been around for a zillion years. Home Depot, my husband's second favorite store. He loves Lowe's. Coca-Cola, which is a fantastic company. Chevron. I'm just going to point out some of them. Verizon, Briscoe Myers, Altria, Lockheed Martin. So if you like the defense sector, that's a good one. Blackstone, Comcast, Target. So, I mean, again, it's all here. You can see that the top sector in this portfolio is consumer staples, followed by energy, followed by healthcare, then industrials, then financial. So I actually like the allocation here. And again, it doesn't have a whole lot of tech. You see, tech is at, what is that? 8.45%. So let me know if you are an SCHD investor. How many shares do you currently have? But you can see we're at 350 shares, and I feel like our portfolio is definitely more balanced. Now, am I going to buy any more? I think I'm going to probably leave it here and focus on building up some of the other ones like we wanted to, but I just couldn't. I had the opportunity, and I was going to use the money wisely because I can remember back in the day. I'm 41, so I can say back in the day now. Back in the day at 21, girl, I would have been wasting that money, wasting it. But I'm glad that, I have good habits now. I thank God for, helping me to see the light because goodness gracious, I was a mess. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Tickle that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload every time I post a video. And until next time, you already know, I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.